Okay, so I'm going to do this one, number 3 and number 4. Okay, so this is a log. So what am I going to do? I'm going to glue it back together. So there was 2 items, separated addition. So I'm going to glue the 2 items together with multiplication. Right? Does this make sense? Addition becomes multiplication glued, right? Now, what did we say? Change the positions. So this is a log. We're going to go into exponent now. So can you go base to exponent equals a result? Can you write that form for me? Base to an exponent equals a result. Do you see all your parts? That's good. I'm going to zero this out. Looks factorable. Okay, with logs, you have to go back. The result has to stay positive. So 5 minus 4, 5 minus 2, that works, that's good, it's positive. 1 subtract 4, ooh, not good. So if I was to put a 1 in there, can't work. Okay, so over here, that was separated with subtraction. So that means I'm going to glue them back together with division. Okay, this was a multiplier. So how can I undo the multiplier? I can move it back up top, right? Now, do you remember this? If this starts with log x and this starts with log x, is it okay in math just to basically forget that, right? Because they're the same. So this is 9. Okay, they both start at log x, so then that's good. That's equal. So I can say that's irrelevant now. And normally we would go y equals 3 or negative 3. That would be how that's normally solved. But what do we know? Y is in a result spot. So we can't use the negative 3. Okay? So you got to be ready to do those rules both ways, the separation way and the back together way. Okay, one more question, page 19. Okay, I'm going to log both sides. 19. I found an exponential equation, so I'm going to log both sides. Okay, so let's separate with the rules. So this is a multiply. So you're going to have to do an add. Okay, multiply became add, exponent became coefficient. Okay, you've mastered the rules. All right, on this one, you're going to need to now distribute all that. Lots of distributing. So this is going to get long. It's going to be a lot of writing on this one. This looks very complex when you look at it, or if you didn't know what was happening and somebody else looked at it, they'd be like, I don't know what you're doing. That's you right now? Okay, now x, anything with x in it is going to be on one side. Anything without x is going to go to the other side. Where do you want to make moves here? I don't really want to move that way because then I'm dealing with all these negative x's. I think I'm going to move this that way. I think those are the moves I'm going to do. Okay, so 3x log 5 plus x log 9. Two log 9 Okay, so what was the point of grouping x's? You'll GCF that x out. Okay, here's your big type. That is what you're typing into your calculator. -0.088.